John Biden nyiso riwruog Midusa ma pachoka medero ni Institute of Engineers of Kenya IEK mondo chung' motegno maneno ni chenro mopogore opogore mag gedo ma itimo e pachoka obedo rang'iny mowinjore. Noloso Mombasa romo mar 32 mokelo kanyakla injinia ma pachoka mbadi jo riwruogno mondo osir lwedo piny owacho e keto chenro mopogore opogore e lwet ji giwegi. Kolero ni sir mag tayo chenro mathoth mosebedo kawuok e pinje maoko sani dok chien. Jatend riwruogno cholo ng'ur margi e piny owacho kaluwore gi Gope tandawuoya ma gikoni gisebedo ka gibandho piny owacho. Gino mokoni osebedo ka rocho chenro magitayo.
The issue of pending bills is killing engineers, literally. We buried our colleague a few weeks ago who did his work as a contractor diligently. He raised invoices. He was not paid. KRF was behind his back, and he had no option. He was auctioned, and we don't have him today. This thing is literally killing engineers, and we request that the government finds a way to settle these pending bills.
And therefore, we have, as government, come up with a serious relook at how we can quickly restore consequence management.
The institutions of Engineers of Kenya and EBK have a vital role to play in advocacy, technical advisory, project audit, and professional oversight. So your expertise ensures that infrastructure investments deliver quality, efficiency, and sustainability while minimizing waste and misuse of public funds.